Welcome everybody to Infinite Crypto. Explore, research and invest in cryptocurrencies. We haven't posted for quite some time, relatively to me of course, a video on YouTube. And a lot of things happened in the cryptocurrency world, especially in Davorcoin. Davorcoin collapsed 95% a decrease in a very short period of time. 95% decrease from his peak, $177. Now, facts and the future, in my opinion. Okay, that's what we're going to do today. Of course, there is no use to actually show you my investments. I actually can show you. I'm holding Davorcoins as much as I can. Probably I am going to stake those two Davors. Not that I'm going to get a lot, but we are seeing here already a staking opportunity. So we are going to stake Davorcoins. But what I want to talk with you is recent news. So they've said that they are going to do a lending lottery, which I believe is a pure mistake because they're exposing their weaknesses. They're exposing that people are not investing, they are not lending. And that's a problem because if they're not lending, then the site is dead. There is the lending opportunity is still here. Obviously, you can see that the lending interest rate is very low, and that is actually showing us that the algorithm in the lending interest rate is based on how many people are lending and how much money is being lent. And it will continue to be as low as it is. And I do believe that it can change. I do believe that this platform is not dead yet. But they do need to understand that if they are going to continue holding on that feature of lending as the only thing that has ever been good in the cryptocurrency market, then they are absolutely going to do a huge mistake. Of course, maybe Davorcoin has already done is huge return income profit on us. I mean, I do estimate their profits in around $50 to $100 million. I do think it is huge. I mean, if they've sold their coins at $177 all the way even to $40, they've made around $50 to $100 million. And they've done that in the past month. If they've sold in the past month, then that's what they've made in Bitcoin coins, of course. And the most important thing for a 100% lending platform is not that the Bitcoin is going to rise, is that the Davorcoin is going to rise. And the problem with the Davor platform is that the Davorcoin has risen too quickly. It rise too fast. And that was a problem. So right now it collapsed. So what they can do? Of course, if they are going to continue that route of lending, and more lending, and not something else, then there is going to be a problem and they're not going to recover from that decrease. And as you can see, the trading volume is very, very low. And I do believe because it's very, very low, that there is no price manipulation and they're letting the exchange be free of any any price manipulation from them. There is no interference. There is no interference. Yes. So anyway, what is Davorcoin? We are starting from the beginning. Davorcoin is a lending coin, 100% lending coin. Just like BitConnect. What happened to BitConnect? BitConnect crushed 95%. What happened to Davorcoin? It crashed 95%, but they're still here. They're still here with their lending platform. Low returns, but lending platforms. So, what do I think they need to do? They need to reassess their situation. They need to understand that lending is not enough. Lending is a great way for them to take an ICO and to increase their funding 10 times, 20 times what they actually need to make sure that their coin will be even more sophisticated. So for the beginning, I do think that they need to have release Davorcoin to 5 up to maybe 10 more exchanges, from Cryptopia to Yorbit to Upcoin to Next Exchange, as many exchanges as possible. As many exchanges. That is the first. The second thing is that they need to rebuild their roadmap, because their roadmap is saying nothing, absolutely nothing. Only marketing, marketing, and more marketing. Now, I do think that they need to make sure that as soon as possible we can trade Davorcoin for Ethereum at the exchanges and at the Eternal Exchange. And they need something else. They need to open a lottery a platform, a social media platform, something that will make sure that Davor can survive and will not collapse. Because if they are going to stay only with lending and people are not going to lend, there is no use of this coin. So right now, my conclusion is that we currently have a staking opportunity with Davor, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that actually right now. So we're going to go to staking. We're going to take all the amount, 2.272980339. Submits. And we are staking Davor for the next 14 days. And we're staking Davor for the next 14 days because I have no belief that Davor will go up all the way to what I think will be the best for lending. The best price for lending right now is between $60 to $70. Holding will be $40, staking will be less than $20. So that is it. Tell me on the comment section below, what do you think on Davorcoin? Have you staked your coins? Are you trying to get out and that's it? Are you going to other lending platforms? I do believe that if you invested money in lending, you should understand and be aware that when you invest money in lending platforms, you can lose your entire initial investments. So make sure when you invest, this is not a joke. You can afford what you can afford to lose what you invested. So anyway, that is it for today regarding Davor. A very long video, by the way, but explaining that if Davor is not going to change, we are not going to invest. We are not going to reinvest, and we're not going to lend. We are not stupid. people think that people that are going to lend in coins are stupid, but they know when things are going wrong, and they know when to stop lending and when to start staking or when to actually exit. So if someone from the Devor team are watching this, they need to understand something. We will never lend until we're going to see some significant changes. Never. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.